Hello everyone, I'm happy to see you here. This is the last video of a sewing process. And just let me to remind you, I am sewing embroidery dress, styled like traditional Ukrainian dress. Here you can see embroidery belt that I already almost done. And I just want to show you that here on the belt I have two types of interlining and embroidery. How I did that, I've been showing it in the stories in Instagram, but you can see it here. The same way of embroidery that I did for sleeves. The belt is quite wide. The length of my belt is little more than my waist. I will fix it by snaps. Some of you will ask me how many threads I've used for total embroidery. Here some information, I think it will be useful for you. Okay guys, so let's start cutting and sewing.
I've been running, been trying to hide my feelings I can't deny. Might be wrong or right, I want you in my life. I keep thinking about you, I just can't get you out of my mind. Can't get you out of my mind. I keep thinking about you, I just can't get you out of my mind. Can't get you out of my mind. You're saying the same thing, but your actions say another. And if it's not real, why do you even bother? I like you, but this is not cool. And I can't let you keep on playing me like a fool. I've been running, been trying to hide my feelings I can't deny. Might be wrong or right, I want you in my life. I keep thinking about you, I just can't get you out of my mind. Can't get you out of my mind. I keep thinking about you, I just can't get you out of my mind. Can't get you out of my mind. You're no good to me. No, 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 no good to me. You're no good to me. No, no good to me. I keep thinking about you, I just can't get you out of my mind. Can't get you out of my mind. I keep thinking about you, I just can't get you out of my mind. Can't get you out of my mind. You're no good to me. Can't get you out, baby. You're no good to me. No more. No, no, no. Hey. You're no good to me. No, 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 no good to me. I just can't get you out of my mind. Can't get you out of my mind. I know you want me, but I want you more. Sitting thinking about the times when I still ignore the signs. Are you thinking of me? I'm not quite sure, but my intuition's telling me you never really were. I've been running, been trying to hide my feelings I can't deny. Might be wrong or right, I want you in my life.
Now it's time to make a skirt. The top skirt will connect together on the waistline. Here you can see my waistline, and the skirt is a rectangle. I've just cut it to make it A-line silhouette. It is very important to check your hip size. For example, my hips is 104 and I added more 10 centimeters for comfortable feeling. The length of my skirt is 81 centimeters, but you can choose any length you want. And yes, if I have side seams, that means that I must make pockets. I really love pockets and that's really comfortable. And I'm going to do it now.
I want you in my life. I keep thinking about you. I just can't get you out of my mind. Can't get you out of my mind. I keep thinking about you. I just can't get you out of my mind. Can't get you out of my mind. You're no good to me. No, 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 no good to me. You're no good to me. No, no good to me. I keep thinking about you. I just can't get you out of my mind. Can't get you out of my mind. I keep thinking about you. Thinking about you. I just can't get you out of my mind. Can't get you out of my mind. You're no good to me. Can't get you out, baby. You're no good to me. No more. No, 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 hey. You're no good to me. No, 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 no good to me. I just can't get you out of my mind. Can't get you out of my mind. I know you want me, but I want you more. Sitting thinking about the times when I still ignore the signs. Are you thinking of me? I'm not quite sure, but my intuition's telling me you never really were. I've been running, but trying to hide my feelings I can't deny. Might be wrong or right. I want you in my life. I keep thinking about you. I just can't get you out of my mind. Can't get you out of my mind. I keep thinking about you. I just can't get you out of my mind. Can't get you out of my mind. You keep saying the same thing, but your actions say another. And if it's not real, why do you even bother? I like you, but this is not cool. And I can't let you keep on playing me like a fool. I've been running, but trying to hide my feelings I can't deny. Might be wrong or right. I want you in my life. I keep thinking about you. I just can't get you out of my mind. Can't get you out of my mind. I keep thinking about you. I just can't get you out of my mind. Can't get you out of my mind. You're no good to me. No, 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 no good to me. You're no good to me. No, no good to me. I keep thinking about you. I just can't get you out of my mind. Can't get you out of my mind. I keep thinking about you. Thinking about you. I just can't get you out of my mind. Can't know you want me, but I want you more. Sitting thinking about the times when I still ignore the signs. Are you thinking of me? I'm not quite sure, but my intuition's telling me you never really were. I've been running, been trying to hide my feelings I can't deny. Might be wrong or right, I want you in my life.
My dress is almost done. Why almost? I'll show you later. But for now, let me show you how it looks from inside. So the pockets, now you can see it fixed by the thread with the waistline. Any seams here is a French seams, except this one, the seam of the armhole. To be honest, I don't like overlocker, but for now I can change nothing. Now you can see a bottom, simple double turned hem. On the belt you can see snaps, but to be honest, I wasn't sure about this belt, and I wanted to make a little different waistline. And yes, I got a decision to make some adjustments. I have deconstructed my waistline and thought to make a casing and put inside elastic. And I think that this dress will be more comfortable. It will not moving around my body, it will be fixed on the waistline. Finally, now it's time to see what I've done.
I think you're cute, can I hit you up on Instagram? Cause you are the only thing I'm thinking of, and I can't stop it, I'm wishing you and I were talking. But even if we talked, I wouldn't know what I would say. My social awkwardness would just get in the way. And maybe I'm a little bit shy, but I'll try my best to compromise. Cause oh, I think I really like how you're always staring at your feet. Pictures only tell so much. So I'm thinking of a message to send you, but it's hard for me to tell if it's too long or not enough. But talking to you is all I want, and I'm trying hard to take a chance and send you the message. I'm hovering over send, but it's so hard to press it. Maybe I'm scared that you might hate me, but I'll try not to mess it up. I don't wanna confess too much, I just wanna get to know a little more about my Insta crush. What's the best way to start? Cause if I'm not careful, I might lay it on my heart, out of my chest too fast. But I really wanna make the conversation last, so I'll start off slow with something really simple like, hey, hello, I kinda like your dimples. Wait, that's so dumb, but I can't think straight. I've been thinking really long and now it's getting late. Oh, but even if I'm sleepy, I'm up all night just thinking of the words I wanna say to you. And no, I don't wanna sound creepy, but most of the time I fall in love. It's with someone who laughs the way you do. So talking to you is all I want, and I'm trying hard to take a chance and send you a message. I'm hovering over send, but it's so hard to press it. Maybe I'm scared that you might hate me, but I'll try not to mess it up. I don't wanna confess too much, I just wanna get to know a little more. But I can't find the words to say. Never been good at talking. I wish there was an easy way to go down this road I'm walking. I don't think I'll ever be close to a girl I only know through a close. So maybe I should just give up this time. so curious about you. And I know that I could just forget you, but I can't really tell my heart